What is up, guys and gals? Welcome to one how to smartphones tutorial videos on the Galaxy Note 20. In this video, we're showing you guys how to insert and eject the SIM card on the Note 20. And the first thing we're going to want to do is go ahead and locate the SIM eject tool. That should be located in your box. If you don't have the original box or the SIM eject tool, go ahead and grab a needle, a pin, unwound paper clip, anything that is skinny and long but strong, durable. I wouldn't stick anything that is not metallic in there, just in case you don't want it to break off. What we're going to want to do is go to the top of your device, and right up here we will see this cutout up here for the SIM tray. It also has a hole in it. We're going to take the SIM eject tool, place it into the hole, and then apply some pressure. As you apply the pressure, the SIM tray does slide out ever so slightly, and at that point we're going to go ahead and grab it with our fingers and slide it out. You want to be careful with it. You don't want to break it. It is long. It's made out of plastic. And there's also a little O-ring, like a little gasket over here that helps keep it watertight. So you want to be careful with that too. So now that we have the SIM tray out, what we're going to want to do is go ahead, grab it, and we will see that there is one of the edges has a beveled corner, which is this one right down here. I might not be able to see that quite well in the video, but it is right there. We're going to go ahead and match it up with the SIM card. The SIM card also has a beveled edge. Go ahead, just slide it in there just like that, and just like that we have it in there. And now we want to go back to our device and install it. As you're installing it, make sure that your card is in there the correct way. As you guys can see, my hole is on this side and there's a hole that is on that side, so make sure you are installing it the proper way. It will not fit, and if you force it, you will damage your the SIM tray. So just like that, the SIM card has been installed. I do it with the device off. Go ahead, power it back on, and you should have your service. So if you want to go ahead and remove the SIM card, it's the same way. Grab your SIM eject tool, insert it in the hole on the SIM tray, slide it out, remove it, and you can replace the SIM card or the SIM tray back. So just like that, quick tutorial video on how to insert and eject the SIM tray on a Note 20. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and check out the playlist for the Note 20 for other tutorials. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.